Hello, my lovelies. It's Susanne, and today I want to show you how to solve this $32,000 question from Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. If a thief can try one combination per second, what is the maximum time needed to open a 4-digit combination lock? About 300 seconds, just under 170 minutes, a little over 5 hours, or around half a day. Okay, so our thief can try one combination per second, and he wants to open a 4-digit combination lock. So our lock consists of 4 digits, and first we have to know how many combinations are possible with a 4-digit combination lock. Well, for the first digit, we have the numbers 0, 1, 2, and so on up to 9. So how many numbers are this? 10 different numbers, not 9, because we also have the 0. So in total, we have 10 possibilities for our first digit here. For the second digit, it's the same. We have again these numbers here, so we have 10 possibilities for this digit. The same for the third, and also 10 again for the last. And to find the total number of combinations, we now only have to multiply these numbers so that we get a result of 10,000 different combinations for our lock. And it takes him 1 second to try one of these combinations, and they ask us for the maximum time needed, so for the worst case scenario. And in the worst case scenario, he has to try all of these 10,000 combinations to find the correct one in the end then. So it would take him 10,000 seconds then to open this lock. And now the question is, which of these answers is this? Well, it's not answer A, because 300 seconds are definitely not enough, but are 10,000 seconds now 170 minutes, or 5 hours, or half a day? I mean, around half a day are about 12 hours. Here we have about 5 hours. And how many hours are 170 minutes? We know that 1 hour consists of 60 minutes. So how often do the 60 minutes now fit into the 170 minutes? The 170 is not divisible by 60, but the 180 would be. So I think it's fine to do the calculations with a 180. I mean, all these numbers are not that exact anyway. So 180 over 60 would be 3. So this is about 3 hours then. I mean, it's under 3 hours, but let's say 3 hours. Here we have 5 hours. Here we have 12 hours. And now the question is 10,000 seconds. How many hours do we get out of these? Well, we have hours and minutes here, but let's convert this also into seconds. 1 minute consists of 60 seconds. So 60 minutes consists of 60 times 60 seconds, which would be 3,600 seconds then. So 1 hour consists of 3,600 seconds. Let's see, what do we have with our 3 hours then? So we have to multiply this number by 3. 3 times 3,600 equals 10,800 seconds then to do all these calculations when you're sitting in this chair during the show. It's tough, but we can be relaxed at home, so we can do these calculations. So 3 hours would be around 10,800 seconds. It only takes him 10,000 seconds, so it would be a little less than 3 hours, and that is exactly what they tell us in B, just under the 170 minutes, which is less than 3 hours. So it is answer B. 5 hours would be too much, 12 hours would be too much. We found our answer here. I'm curious how you solve this problem, so please let me know in the comments. I wish you a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Take care!